Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to get Temu items without inviting friends. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open the Temu app and tap on U from the bottom bar. Then, go into the Earn Credit and Free Gifts option. Here, you'll get to see different coupons and gifts that you can use. Click on Click to Reveal. Tap to start the game to get your gifts. If you win the grand prize, all your gifts will be free. Open your gifts to see how many you've won. Select any item from Temu for free without paying anything. After selecting your items, tap to collect all cards to claim 4 gifts. Keep tapping on Collect to get every gift for free. Once you've collected all your items, click to continue. Tap on Copy Code to get the items for free without paying for them. By following these steps, you will easily get Temu items without inviting friends. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.